Hello, welcome to this episode of Auto Tutorials by Levonotion Studios. My name is Lydia, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can assign different materials to front and back of your objects in Blender. Let's get started. So we're going to use this character, Miriam, for this video, and the method we're going to use to assign different materials to the front and back is the solidify method, which means we'll be using the solidify modifier for this video. And the objects we're going to assign different materials to is this ant band. So as you can see, this ant band has solidifier. If I turn it off, this is without the solidifier. And if I turn it on, this is with solidify. And to assign different materials to this, it's quite easy. The first thing you need to do is just create those materials first. Obviously, I've created them. So this is the gold ring, which is this color you're seeing, and this is red 2 and red 3. So those are the colors I want to assign to the back of this material. So the gold ring, whichever one you have here, is the front material, and we can actually pick any of these to be the back material. So we'll go back to the modifier tab and modifier properties, and go to solidify, drop down and go to materials. So when you click on materials, you see material offset and rim. This material offset is for the back, while the rim is for the rim. So if I change this rim to 1, it's going to use the second material. So 0, we use the first material, 1, we use the second material. And if I click on 3, it's going to use the third material, which is the blue color. So if I go back, so rim, so the rims are using the third material. So if I isolate this by using this / you see that the back still has the gold material, while just the rims has the blue material. So if you want to give the back a separate material, just click on 1. So now the back has red, while this. So if you want to switch, just give this 2 and give this 1. So that's it. It's very easy, very simple, very straightforward. So let's look at our footwear. We have the same thing here. You see the back of the footwear is pink. So if you go down to the solidifier and you check the material, you see we have this pink color here. So now the back is set to 1 and the rim is also set to 1. So that's why they have the same color, and the back and front colors are now different. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like the video. Like the video. Subscribe to Levonotion Studios if you've not done so. And until next time, stay true to your creativity. Bye-bye.